Welcome to this short video which is entitled LinkedIn Profile Viewing, Statistics and Settings. My name is Ian McAllister, I'm a UK professional recruiter and a principal at CV4.biz. Now, even as a free account user, LinkedIn gives you access to profile viewing statistics. For both free and paid users, that's in terms of a number of people that you will see in X days of a window. So for the free account, that's 5 people in X days. So it doesn't matter whether they've seen your profile and viewed you in 1 hour, 1 day or 1 week. You'll see that 5 people in that particular window. For the paid account, you see as many people who have viewed your profile in the last 30 days and you get access to a more comprehensive set of statistics. So here we are inside my LinkedIn account. On the top right hand side you can see a graph there in blue and grey. That shows the number of views and the appearance in searches I've had on my profile in about a 3-month period. That's the same as the paid account people will see. In the left hand column you'll see the 5 users that looked at and viewed my profile. 4 of them are in the default setting, 1 of them has set their setting to anonymous. Now, you can use this information in many ways, but the main 3 you want to be using it is in terms of 1, assessing the SEO of your profile. So are you pulling through the right types of people you'd like to talk to in your network, potentially do business with? Number 2 is assess the relevance of your LinkedIn activities, specifically in terms of the answers you provide to answers and the value you provide to groups. And number 3 is in creating new connections with desired contacts. And you can use this information directly and say, hey, I noticed you viewed my profile and would you like to connect? Or you can use it more intelligently, indirectly, reverse and go back and look at their profile, find some common ground, look at their recent activity and say something along the lines of, I liked your answer to, or we share the following group and. You'll generally find that direct connection requests will have about an 80% response success rate and indirects will have about a 90 to a 95% connection rate. Now, in terms of your profile settings, you can set how others see you when you view their profiles. Now, there are 3 default settings that LinkedIn provides you with. Number 1 is effectively a small business card. It's a name and headline with your photograph. That's the default and recommended setting from LinkedIn. Number 2 is an anonymous profile characteristics. That basically summarizes you out as an industry, a title and a location. Or number 3 is totally anonymous. Now, number 3 is not actually true. You will still be seen in the statistics package as a LinkedIn user, and paid accounts will see the same LinkedIn user data, so there's no advantage there between free or paid accounts. So here we are again inside my LinkedIn account. I've accessed into my settings, top right hand side, select your name, you need to sign in using your password. And then you select the option in what is effectively the middle column, what others see when you viewed their profile. Now I have the default setting selected, so that's basically a picture, a name, my title and my location. Number 2 then is the anonymous profile characteristics. Again, it shows me what I'll see there, which is basically a grey photo and someone in the management consulting industry from Cardiff, UK. And number 3, the totally anonymous setting. So the question now becomes, in terms of your profile settings, should you set it to be open or anonymous? Now, if you're in sales or marketing or want to be connected to people and want to expand your network, then simply select the default setting, name and headline. Now, you can also use this to test view people you want to be connected to. Now, if you go over and have a look at their profile and it appears in their statistics package, if they want to connect to you, then they'll come see you viewed their profile and then they'll send you a connection message, either an indirect or a direct one. If you want to go guarded or snooping, then in theory you should use the other 2 settings, but what are the problems there? Well, the anonymous profile characteristic setting doesn't actually work. In about 60% of cases there's enough information to use Boolean search to find you externally. Now, with regard to the totally anonymous settings, if you effectively as such want to go snooping or guarding around, then for the totally anonymous setting, well, instead why not use Boolean search from the internet cache, which is far more effective. Now that brings up another point, which is views from search engines until you're signed in to view the view profile don't appear on the statistics package. So thank you for viewing this short video. One last thought, if you're not getting enough interviews, thinking about changing jobs or unhappy in your current position, then submit your CV for a free review at cv4.biz/free CV review. Thank you and good luck.